If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Say in printed book, in newspaper article or also web page, you will see the first letter of a paragraph is much larger than a surrounding text, which is originally known as drop cap. So, let me tell you that MS Word has provided a special feature of drop cap. So, today my topic is how to add drop cap in MS Word. See, drop cap is a large capital letter which is used as a decorative element that present at the beginning of a paragraph, or you can say text blocks, which has a depth of 2 or more lines of regular text. There are two options for positioning a drop cap. The first one that fits within your paragraph, and second in the margin outside of your paragraph. So, without wasting time, we will move towards our practical section. To add a drop cap in MS Word, what first thing we need to do? Select the first character, then go to Insert tab, select drop cap. Here you can select the drop cap option you want. I will select drop, click on it. You will see the result like this. If I select in margin, then I will get this result. So, according to your need, you can select your option. I will change the option. I will select drop. Here you can see that if I select drop option, then our drop cap fits within our paragraph. And if I select in margin, then a drop cap is in margin outside of our paragraph. Fine. In case you want to change the size and font of the drop cap, also want to change its distance from the text, then you need to select drop cap option. Click on it. You will get this dialog box. Here you can change the font you want. I will select then instead of 3 I will select 5. This is to change the size of my drop cap, means it will cover 5 lines instead of 3. Then I will increase the distance. This distance is from text, and I will just hit OK button. You will see my font got changed, the font size also changed, and this is the distance from the text. Fine. So this is how we can customize our drop cap. Now if we don't want drop cap, then just select drop cap and done button. So the drop cap will get removed. Fine. So this is how we can add and remove drop cap in MS Word. I hope you understood this topic. Just practice it, and in case you have any doubt, just write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Thank you.